8 seconds is all you have to capture someone's attention online. If you fail, you're missing the opportunity to turn someone into a customer. One of the best and fastest ways to win over customers is by having good visuals. Poor quality images or not having photos at all can make it harder for customers to connect with your business and buy your products. This can be hard for some small business owners when you might not own a professional camera or have access to a photography studio with high-end editing software. The good news is that you don't need all of that to take great photos of your products. I'm Ray, and I've been a professional photographer for 4 years, so I know how hard it can be to get the right shots for your business. Today, I wanted to walk you through some of the steps of photographing your products so you can enhance your online presence and boost your sales. Step 1, equipment. Let's start by talking about the tools you'll need. While professional cameras can deliver fantastic results, you don't necessarily need one to get started. A smartphone with a high-quality camera will do just fine. Just make sure that it has good resolution and that your pictures don't come out fuzzy or out of focus. Step 2 is lighting. Lighting plays a crucial role in product photography. Natural light is great, so you can position your products near a window or use an outdoor setting. Try to avoid harsh shadows by diffusing the light with a sheer curtain or white sheet. You can also try using affordable lighting kits or light boxes to get more consistent results. Step 3 is stability. A steady shot is essential for clear and sharp images. Try using a tripod or stabilize your phone on a flat surface to avoid blurriness caused by hand movements. Sharp shots can make your products look more professional and enticing. Step 4, background. When taking photos for your website or online listings, choose a clean and uncluttered background that complements your product. Solid colored backdrops like white or neutral tones work well for most products. You can also experiment with textured surfaces or patterned backgrounds to add visual interest. Step 5, composition. Pay attention to the composition of your photos. Experiment with different angles like overhead shots, close-ups, or unique perspectives that highlight your product's features. Be mindful of the rule of thirds, which helps create visually appealing images by placing the product slightly off-center. Step 6, props and context. While solid backgrounds and perfect lighting can look nice, it doesn't always capture the essence of a product. Some people would rather see something in action before buying it, so try taking photos in a more natural setting. Depending on your product, you can use props or incorporate context to help tell a story. Props can add scale or demonstrate the product's use. Contextual settings create a lifestyle element, making your products relatable and appealing to potential buyers. If you're selling home decor, show it styled in a home. If you're selling your own line of herbal teas, get some photos of it brewed in a cup on a kitchen table. Showcase your product in the way that it's meant to be used in real life. These types of photos are perfect for social media or as secondary images in a listing so customers can envision what the product would look like for them. Step 7, photo editing. Even with great shots, a little editing can enhance your product images even further. Use photo editing apps or software to adjust brightness, contrast, and colors. Remember to keep your edits subtle and maintain a natural look that accurately represents your product. Some editing tools I'd recommend for beginners are Adobe Lightroom Mobile, Canva's photo editing feature, or you can even try using your smartphone's built-in photo editing software to make some basic enhancements. And that's it. These 7 steps can help you start photographing your products like a pro in no time. One last piece of advice I want to leave you with is to do what feels right for your brand. Have fun with your product photography and don't be afraid to get creative with it. Thanks for watching.